I love my grandma Janelle, sweetest person in the entire world, and God bless her. But she's old as fuck! When I die and go to heaven and see God, I'm gonna say, shit! I had to turn all my clocks back an hour. By the time I got the last clock, my ass had turned to jello! Fuck! Damn it! The hell is that shit? You hear that shit? Someone go find out where the fucking noise is coming from! Holy shit! Shit! Ah, shit! 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 What's all the damn noise?
It's the garbage disposal.
Sound like Chewbacca taking a shit!
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does!
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does!
Then shut up.
Oh, fuck you! You're grounded!
What for?
Cause you don't think garbage disposal sounds like Chewbacca taking a shit, that's why! Then go to your room! What I tell you to say